Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my Airluck Goose Down Comforter. This is the queen size version, and I really love this comforter because this is the all season. And so it's nice and lightweight and still fluffy, so I don't get too hot with this comforter at night. And I sleep pretty cold, my husband sleeps pretty warm, and we're both happy. It really just expands nicely with a goose down and feathers inside. It is not super fluffy that it's going to make you too hot, and it isn't also too thin, so it's just right if you just want some nice comfort all year. It has, of course, corner tabs, so if you want to put a duvet on it, you can tie on your duvet right there. It's 80% feather, 20% down, so it's nice and breathable and really soft, and it also has a cotton polyester cover, so it's really soft, but it's also not too crinkly and loud.
This Airluck down comforter is so luxurious and soft. It has really helped me to get a great night's sleep.
So if you are looking for a goose down comforter that you can use all year round, nice and lightweight, and it won't make you too hot or too cold, I highly suggest this comforter by Airluck. I'm really satisfied with the quality of the comforter. I think it's perfect for my husband and I like that it is really nice and lightweight and not too crinkly. So this is just an all-around fabulous comforter. I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.